When I think about challenges and when I think about the things that are facing the co-op, our technology and keeping up with that comes to mind. We had exhausted our ability to keep up with technology in-house with our own resources, and we needed a partner to help us with that. Jackson EMC serves about 238,000 customers. We have 4 district offices, and we have approximately 450 employees.
Back in 2016, I was actually part of a team that took a look at our internal technology systems. One of those was actually to take a look at our best-of-breed solution and see if it was the right fit for our organization or if we needed to look into an enterprise solution. What I do know about our best-of-breed solutions was they were all highly customized, and it made it very difficult to perform upgrades on those systems and keep them up to date.
We did a pretty thorough investigation of what was out there in the market, what others were using in terms of products and services related to technology. The more that we got to know the people, the product, the leadership team, especially the culture at NISC, we knew that we were partnering with a true technology firm and really could bring the latest and greatest technology to our cooperative. I think others who did similar research to us would arrive at the same conclusion. In fact, I would be surprised if they didn't.
We decided to go with every piece of software NISC offered. Then in 2018, my team was formed to implement the NISC product suite.
Jackson EMC did a wonderful job of communicating with their employees and their directors as they were making the choice, and had a very strategic rollout of their communication to their members. Another thing that Jackson EMC did very well was their executive team was present during the entire implementation, and I think that made a huge difference in this project.
We had to write down all of our business processes, and we did that by identifying subject matter experts from all of our different functional areas. Our IT department is broken into 2 different sections, an infrastructure section, and we have a business technology solutions section. In business technology solutions, there are 4 business analysts. We had one person that everybody that worked with us could come to, and we could be a liaison between Jackson EMC and NISC.
Prior to NISC, we had around 20,000 of our members or so receiving their bill electronically, that sort of thing. Now, today, just a few months after we've fully implemented NISC, we've got about 100,000 of our members using that. All of those products talk to each other seamlessly, provide information seamlessly from the field to the back office and all in between.
I think the biggest boon we've seen in employee satisfaction has to do with our field crews. Going from a paper system to having iPads in the trucks and in their hands has been a big boon for them in terms of efficiency, and has really brought them up to speed with the rest of the organization in terms of technology.
Jackson EMC's future, when you look at it without NISC versus when you look at it with NISC, it was clear that the decision to go with NISC was going to open doors for us that would not be otherwise open if we stayed with and tried to maintain our legacy systems.